Alright kids, the Kingding fishing show is back, but this is so wrong on so many levels. I found an area where there's not so much wind, only like 15-20 miles an hour instead of 40. And I got some really cool lily pads over here, but they're like in 19 feet of water. I never really did understand all this, but so I'm not going to catch anything, but I'm going to try. It's kind of like playing poker, you know. You get the cards dealt to you and you play what you have. I'm in stagnant, dredged out water, so there's really no oxygen back here. It's really, really deep. But it's the only way I can put on the Kingding fishing show, because if I go anywhere else, the wind is 50 miles an hour. So, well, I'll do what I can, okay? That's all I can do. You can see by the background how fast I'm moving. I'm not even touching the trolling motor. If I didn't know any better, I'd say it's really masturbated. Today was a masturbated day. I should have never, ever, ever came out here. But it's just for the love of the audience and the Kingding fishing show. The show has to go on. If I get a day off, I gotta go, right? That's what I would do if I get the day off. What the hell? It doesn't matter if I die. I mean, it's okay. And that's what happens to like Buddy Holly and stuff. They get on the airplane because the show has to go on and the airplane goes down. That's the same way with the Kingding fishing show. If a tornado should so happen to come, then that's what happens. Now, at least I'm doing what I love, you know. That's all that matters. But if I'd have a nice looking tramp here, that'd even be better, but I guess, you know, that's not... If you don't have dreams, you don't have anything, you know. I'm still throwing my Rover worm. I put some weight on it so I can get it down a little bit. Maybe I can get like a 2-pound sniveler laying around in 14 feet of water or something. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Stupid lily pad. I never seen lily pads like this. I guess I'm not I'm not Scott Martin or nothing, so I don't know. But it's so deep here, it's like 18 feet deep. And the lily pads got to be 25 feet tall, you know. And as a kid growing up, I don't remember lily pads being in 25 feet of water. Maybe somebody can post a comment and tell me what the... I can't swear, because it's a Kingding fishing show. But tell me what the hell kind of lily pads grow in 25 feet of water. Or maybe they're not lily pads. Maybe they're like that Roland Martin shit in Florida. Because basically I'm fishing in a swamp. Kinda. And the natural depth, the deepest this place ever gets is like maybe 11 feet, something. But I don't know. The Army Corps of Engineers came and dredged this thing down to 50 feet. Some places, you know, I guess I haven't lived here enough to know. But if anybody could give me a little comment, I'll even show a little video action of what it looks like. Well, here they are. Here's the lily pads. You can see I'm at like 17 feet deep. have to fire up the Mert because the wind's blowing 400 miles an hour now again. Now it's starting to rain. A good friend of mine when I was a little kid told me when I was 12 years old, I remember the day. He told me, he says, fuck around, soon you won't be around. And I think that's what's happening to the King today because I'm screwing around. And I know I'm just going to get peppered. I am going to get lit up because I feel the rain coming. I see it. I see the little cell tower back here. And it's got nothing but bad intentions. Yeah, I think the King's gonna hang this up a little bit. The problem is I'm in an area. I'm in an area where my view is restricted. Hi everybody. I'm in an area where the view is restricted and I can see the rain just, I can't see the clouds on this side. And so I might be really shocked when I turn around these islands. I better get going real fast here. So I'll see you kids on the flip-flop. It's been good. Nice. Gotta go. Now it's pouring. Gotta go. Thank you. Bye.